The other defence that we looked at doing is a 2-3 zone defence, just to switch things up. Kind of looks like our pack. But with man-to-man, we basically mark a man, and that's our priority throughout the defensive action. With a zone, basically we have players marking areas. So the one man pretty much marks that area, the two man pretty much marks that area, or people that come into the area. What we're looking at is defending the reverse pass. The first thing that needs to happen is the one man or the one or the two men need to take the ball, put pressure on the ball. What this does is, especially if they're in a 2 in 3 out situation, it leaves a weak side and a strong side. Okay. What this means is that our defenders on the strong side can match up. They match up to the offense. But on the weak side, we're going to find that the 3 man has the 4 men, but the 1 man has 2 men to mark. Basically the 1 and the 2. So what we need to do is, first of all, the 5 man needs to come off the centre and go to the help post. I call this person the centre help. Okay, the centre help person. Okay, so when they see the 1 man taking the ball, they know there's the weak side, they go to the weak side post to help out, because the post defender needs to front that post, so in case the pass comes to the wing, they can go out and close out short and wait for one to recover, because that's actually the 1 man, but we need somebody to go out there and recover. And so we'll just go into that. So we'll see this action. So the ball gets passed to the wing, the 3 man, which is the post defender, goes out and closes out short. The 5 man fronts the post. The 1 man straight away goes into recovery. Because the ball has gone to the weak side, the people on the help side defence, that's the side where the ball is not, they move slightly to the split line. Okay, because the thing is, if the ball goes right over there, these players can recover. Okay, so they can afford to come into the paint, to the split line. Okay, so we've got that situation there. Next thing that happens, this 3 man cannot leave that 2 man or they will score. So they have to wait for the 1 man to recover. They bump him, then they go back to their assigned defensive assignment. Okay, so then they front the 4 man on the ball side post. The centre help goes into the help position, and the number 3 just fronts the post. The ball gets reversed. Now what happens is, the 2 man, since they are the closest, goes out to that 1 man to close out short. There might be a shooter there, so the 2 man goes out and helps. What this does is, this makes this the weak side and this the strong side, because the 2 man now has to cover 2 players that are in his area. Okay, and so once again, the 5 man needs to see this. The centre help needs to see this, so they go to the opposite post. The help side post helps out the 4 man who fronts the 5 man post in case the ball is reversed, and it is. And because they're in front of they're fronting the post, they can get out to help as the 2 men tries to recover. So that's the rotation on the defending the reverse pass on the wings. Okay, and so the 2 man goes, bumps the 4 man, the 4 man goes back to the ball side post, and the centre help just goes into the help position. And once again, when the ball is on the ball side, the help side defense can move across to the split line, just to make sure that there's no penetration down the middle of the paint. Okay, next thing we're going to look at defending is the skip pass. Okay, that's one of the things that can really kill a zone offense. Okay, 3 is going to skip pass to the 2. We need to recover while the ball is in the air. If we wait for the person to get the ball and recover, that's what leaves gaps. So we need to recover while the ball is in the air. Okay, same thing again. That creates a weak side and a strong side, but because of the skip, we can recover to that without any help. But we see the 5 men and the 3 men fronting the ball side post. We got the 2 and the 4. The 4 can pretty much come over there, all the way over there. But you got to watch, especially when you're in the post. You might go right to the split line. This person comes over here, seals you up, and then the ball is reversed that way, and then they can kick it into the post. They're right in the scoring position. So you got to watch that the person, the offensive post that you're marking likes to seal up. Then you've got to stay out on them. You can't come into the split line too much, or they're gonna seal you up. Okay, before the ball is passed, and as the defense, before the defense switches, you'll be pinned down in that sweet spot there. Okay, that's pretty much. Now we're going to look at defending the high posts. The 2 guard, since that's in the area of the 1 and 2 guard, the 2 guard needs to put a bit of a body on the 4, and the 3 comes up and helps. They need to get into a position where if the ball is reversed to the top of the to the point area, they can get up to that. And the 1 just slides across, fronts the post, and the 3 post, which is the post defender, just drops back. Okay, once again, we're looking at a help situation where if the ball is reversed to the 3, the 4 can go out and help, wait for the 2 to recover. We got the 5 in the middle help, the centre help position, just behind the post. And once that reverse is made, they get to a position fronting the post. Okay, and that's what happens. Okay, same thing again. 2 comes out, relieves, go back, and we're all in good shape. Ball gets reversed, everybody just goes into their position. That's there's a lot of variations of the 2-3 zone, but we'll just have to practice as we go along. Just keep watching the tapes, keep turning them over, and basically we'll get to see how our defense works. And once again, girls, defense wins championships.